sea. I am sailing home again, across the sea, and I am sailing stormy water. I am flying like a bird across the sky, and I am flying